Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to install Windows 10 Pro using a completely offline account. No Microsoft login, no internet, and no online setup at all. And make sure you stay until the end because I'll also explain what you can still customize on a non-activated copy of Windows, including things most people think are blocked. And if you want to learn how to do those customizations, I've got a separate quick tutorial coming up next. Start by visiting the official Microsoft link for Windows 10 Media Creation Tool. The link is in the description. Find Create Windows 10 Installation Media and click Download. Open your Downloads folder. Run the Windows Media Creation Tool 22h2.exe. Accept the licensing terms and conditions. Choose Create Installation Media. Click Next. Uncheck Use the recommended options for this PC. Choose your language. I'll choose English United States. Choose your edition. I will choose Windows 10. Architecture. Choose 64-bit. This lets your system access more than 4 GB of RAM. Click Next. Select ISO file. Later, we'll place the ISO onto a Ventoy USB or external hard drive. If you haven't set up Ventoy yet, check the tutorial link below. Ventoy is better than Rufus because it lets you boot multiple ISOs and still allows you to use your drive for storage. Click Next. Choose a location you can easily find. I'll save mine in the Downloads folder. The ISO will now begin downloading. This part can take a while, so just let it finish. Now click Finish. Go to your Downloads folder or wherever you saved your Windows ISO. We'll copy and paste into the Ventoy USB drive or external drive. Now we can close these windows. Let's restart our computer and boot into the BIOS. Depending on your system, press F9, F10, F11, or F12 to boot into your BIOS. Also check your motherboard or laptop's documentation. Inside the BIOS, change the boot priority so the Ventoy loads first. My Ventoy is installed on UEFI OS with the Realtek RTL 9210. We'll move that to the top of the boot priority. Click Save, and then Exit. When Ventoy appears, select the Windows ISO and press Enter. Boot into normal mode. This will launch the Windows 10 installation setup. Select your language. I'll choose English. Time and currency format. I'll choose English United States. Select your keyboard or input method. I'll choose US. Click Next. Let's click Install. If you have a product key, enter it here. If not, that's completely fine. Windows will still run normally with only cosmetic limitations. I'll explain those at the end. Click I don't have a product key. I strongly recommend installing Windows 10 Pro because you get BitLocker, Remote Desktop, Hyper-V for virtual machines, and more advanced control features. Select Windows 10 Pro, then click Next. Accept the license terms. Click Next. Choose Custom, Install Windows Only Advanced. Find the drive or partition you want to install Windows on. Be very careful, double check the correct disk. I'll select Drive 2. Click New. I'll allocate all available space on my NVMe drive. Click Apply. A message will appear saying Windows needs extra partitions. Click OK. These are required for proper booting. I will select Drive 2 Partition 2 as my primary drive. Click Next. Windows 10 Pro will now install. When it finishes, it will restart automatically, or you can click Restart Now. Choose your region. I'll select United States. Click Yes. Choose your keyboard layout. I'll choose US. Click Yes. I will skip adding a second keyboard layout. Select Setup for personal use. Then click Next. Click Offline Account. Choose Limited Experience. This bypasses the Microsoft login requirement entirely. Enter your username. I'll name mine Desktop. Click Next. Create a password if you want to, then click Next. Access recent browsing data, not now. Turn off all the options, then click Accept. Skip Customize your experience. Click Not Now for Cortana. Windows will finalize everything. And we're in. And that's it. You successfully installed Windows 10 Pro with a fully offline account. But here's something most people don't know. Even without activation, Windows still lets you do more than you think, including things like setting your wallpaper or using dark mode. If you want to learn how to do those customizations, click the upcoming tutorial on screen or check in the link in the description. If this video helped you, hit the like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.